You're not going to want to eat today's marvelous masterpiece of liquid layers, however, but it will look swell when we're finished. Are you ready? Fizztastic! Let's get going. Fizztastic! Now that we're safe, we'll begin by pouring each liquid into one of the 9 containers. We need to either label each cup or set them in the order that we'll add them to the large container. We have gone ahead and labeled our containers. So we need honey, corn syrup, maple syrup, whole milk, dish soap, water, vegetable oil, rubbing alcohol, and lamp oil. We've gone ahead and already added our food coloring to the water and rubbing alcohol. But as a reminder, you'll want to add at least 5 drops to the water and the food coloring. Next, we're going to start building our tower by pouring the honey into the clear container. It's important to slowly layer the honey, corn syrup, and maple syrup into the center of the container. We have to make sure the liquids don't touch the sides of the container as we pour. Now, we'll use the turkey baster to carefully add the milk, followed by the dish soap. We must add them just a little at a time. Pay attention to this fizz tip.
Slowly and carefully is the best way to successfully complete this experiment.
Fizztastic. Okay, this time we're going to use the side of the container. We're going to fill the turkey baster with the water, then hold the tip of the baster against the side of the container and close to the layer of dish soap. Now we'll squeeze gently, allowing the water to flow down the inside wall of the container. And again, if you haven't put on your gloves and eye protection, this is the time to do that now. All right, that took a little while, and I'm sure you enjoyed the fast motion of us doing that. Next, we need to layer the vegetable oil, the rubbing alcohol, and the lamp oil with the exact same method. So it's going to take a little time. You'll have to have patience, but you'll need to be careful. Now that we've added our last layer of rubbing alcohol, we're going to add our final layer of liquid, which is the lamp oil. And as you can see, these layers are separating well. And though we've had a little bit of mixage here and there, for the most part, they're separating really well. All right, let's add that lamp oil. Fizztastic! Do you see this? Let's step back a moment and let's look at this 9 layer, let's think about my Aunt Lois Jello. 9 layer density tower. You can see all of our layers, how they've lined up and separated. And sure, we have a little bit of mixage here and there, but for the most part, they've separated into their densities. Now, as the liquids continue to settle, and over time, they will separate further, and it might even become even cleaner. Our next step is to release the objects one at a time into the liquids. We're going to allow them to fall as gently as possible through the layers, the density layers, as they go. We'll start with the bolt, followed by the popcorn kernels, the game dice, the carrot, the plastic beads, the soda cap, and lastly, the ping pong ball. Okay. I hope you'll snap a picture and post it online so we can see the results of your marvelous experiment. Tag us at Fizzlebop Labs and use #Fizzlebop.